Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, didn't become rich by accident. Today, we're uncovering the habits that made him a billionaire, so you can start applying them to your life right away. Let's get straight into it. Buffett's wealth wasn't built overnight. It was crafted through consistent, disciplined habits. And the best part? These habits aren't just for billionaires. They're for anyone willing to put in the work. Let's break it down quickly. The 3 habits that transform Buffett's life: reading voraciously, living frugally, investing in what you understand. First, reading. Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. Why? Because knowledge compounds over time. Second, frugality. Despite his billions, Buffett lives in the same house he bought in 1958. His message? Avoid lifestyle inflation. Third, investing in what you know. Buffett never puts money into anything he doesn't fully understand. These habits aren't complicated, but they are powerful. Picture young Warren Buffett alone in his office, reading annual reports late into the night. No fancy suits, no luxurious office, just a relentless pursuit of knowledge. This is the essence of his success. Simple habits, repeated daily, that anyone can emulate. Buffett's habits aren't about secret formulas or complex strategies. They're about doing the basics right, day after day. The takeaway? Success isn't a mystery. It's the result of consistent, simple action. So what can you start doing today? Pick up a book, start tracking your expenses, and make sure you understand your investments. If Buffett can do it, so can you. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications. And share in the comments, what's one habit you're going to adopt starting now?